In Madhya Pradesh, Balaghat, man fights 11-year legal battle over rupees 600 shoes, wins case. In the realms of consumer rights, the case study of Shivraj Thakur, a resident of Balaghat in Madhya Pradesh, waged a long legal battle over a pair of shoes worth rupees 600, exemplifying the importance of patience and courage in defending consumer rights. This case dates back 11 years when Shivraj Thakur purchased a pair of shoes worth rupees 600 from a local shop. However, just 2 days after the purchase, the shoes become unusable as the sole tore apart. When Shivraj approached the shopkeeper to complain about the defective shoes, he was not only ignored but also insulted by the shopkeeper. Refusing to accept the insult and the poor quality of product, Shivraj decided to fight for his justice. He took the matter to the Consumer Forum, where he filed a complaint and sought redress for the wrong done to him. After an 11-year legal struggle, the State Consumer Forum finally ruled in favor of Shivraj Thakur. The forum ordered the shopkeeper to compensate Shivraj with a total amount of rupees 3,040 rupees. This amount included the cost of the shoes and compensation for the mental and physical distress that Shivraj endured during his battle against the shopkeeper. This case is not just a symbol of the fight for consumer rights, but also shows the voice of an ordinary citizen when heard in the right forum can achieve justice. Shivraj Thakur's battle is an inspiration to all the consumers who have the courage to stand up for their rights. This incident also underscores the importance of consumer justice system, which is capable of ensuring that every citizen should receive their due rights. Did you ever think that a pair of shoes worth rupees 600 would take you on an 11-year journey to victory? If you could go back in time, would you lace up for this legal marathon again? Would you say that this case highlights the importance of standing firm against any form consumer exploitation? Is it fair to say that this victory isn't just about rupees 600 shoes, but about ensuring every consumer has a soul in the fight for justice? Follow us for more information. Thank you.